Game Development Introduction. The classic point-and-click adventure genre not only provides a generous environment for creating games, but also encourages readers to explore tips, tricks, and techniques commonly found in other novice Unity gamebooks. Made possible. This edition updates the classic adventure game with its modernized counterpart, the modern adventure game. 3D world, physics, real-time special effects, and 3D characters enhance the player's experience as players navigate the world, acquire objects of suspicious use, and solve physical and logical puzzles. Coupled with the fact that it appeals to a wide range of gamers, including many gamers who have never played first-person shooters, it is also an ideal vehicle for the casual game market. And if your adventure idea still contains the unjust use of weapons, you will even get an introduction to it through the book. Like any other project, it starts with a little research. For more information visit our website intelligencegateway.com.